Hey guys, Brooke Walker here, IFBB Women's Physique Pro, and I am here with Hannah. She traveled all the way to Conway, Arkansas to get a nice training session in, and we're hitting legs today. She is 3 weeks out from the Omaha Pro and the NPC Duel of Champions here in, well, not here, 3 weeks in Omaha, Nebraska, and you know, I'm all about manifesting things. I'm speaking it into existence. She's super humble. She's not gonna say it herself, but I'm gonna say it. This girl is gonna bring it, and I have very high expectations of her, and I'm going to anticipate that she's gonna win the whole show.
Well, that's only what I can hope, but it's been a real pleasure getting to know Brooke and work with Brooke. First time in Conway forever. Awesome gym here at 365 Fitness. I'm just ready. I'm hungry. We're gonna bring it for sure.
Yeah, she is hungry. She did get some Pop-Tarts today, you know, but I think it's really important to kind of take note on, at this point, 3 weeks out, my goal is not to gas her out and kill her. You know, we're not going to build a tremendous amount of muscle in 3 weeks time frame, so we're just going to make sure that we're, touching on all the bases, right? Getting some adequate amount of blood flow to the muscle that we're training, which is legs, like I said. Push yourself, obviously, but I'm not trying to kill her or hurt her at this point, right? She's gonna bring it, and I'm excited. She doesn't feel all that great right now, 3 weeks out, like I said. Most people, whenever you're this close to a show, you're probably not feeling the best, but chances are you're probably looking incredible. And let me tell you, she looks incredible. We're gonna do some posing after the fact, and you guys will get a little bit of a sneak peek on how she looks. So be on the lookout for this girl, 3 weeks out. Omaha, be ready. Good. Nice. 4. It'll feel good. Like I said, you just got 2 weeks to get through it. 2 weeks. That's it. That's it. You're like in single digits, you know, right now. On some episodes, right? Okay, so I want you to keep your feet as far back on this platform as you can. Now, whenever you come down, if your heels start to come up, you can walk up a little bit higher, right? And we're gonna kind of keep that same tempo that we did on the leg press. I want you to go down nice and slow, push those knees out. You can count 3, 2, 1. I want you to hold in the hole. You're gonna 1 to 2 counts, and then 3, 2, 1. Press it up, right? Nice and slow. On the way down, hold, no momentum. 3, 2, 1, back. Come on. 6, 7, almost done, almost done. Good. 9, and here it is, last one. Good. Yeah.
Do you wear them? I've never done it like that.
So for my lunges, I prefer to have shoes on just because I don't feel stable But you can go in, but if you feel more comfortable, yeah, do it. I,
Bruh.
I told you she looked good, didn't I?
What?
Okay, so I want to make sure, and we'll make sure, but whenever we're on stage, I want these straps in line. Quarter turn to the right.
Which one?
Yeah, so just yeah, there you go. Just the only thing I don't want you to do is to be on either diagonal and moving, like being a distraction. You know what I mean? And you will see that in just clear across the boards and divisions. They'll just extend out and then they move back and they're just creating a distraction. Just hit a pose, hold a pose, and if you have to adjust, you can, right? Competitor 22. So front relax first. Nice, good. Then extend out. Yes, good. Bring it down. Step in. Nice, nice.
Oh.
That's it, right there. Good. You're doing it. There you go. Pull back. Good. Yes. Yes. And you got it. You got it. Nice. Good. Curtsy and foul off. Curtsy and foul off. Yeah. That's perfect. That's it, right there. All right, guys, so we just finished up, a pretty good leg workout, I think, anyways. We kept it basic, like I said. The goal at this point is not to necessarily kill Hannah. It's just she's relatively close to a show. We want to keep her healthy, keep her body mobile, just get some blood flow to the muscle, and she did that. We focused on proper form, execution, and she killed it. So she's a workhorse, and she is a perfect representative client because she does as she's supposed to. She executes everything to a T. When it comes to this sport, just in general, it doesn't matter the division that you're competing in. It is a full-time job, and everything matters in that regard. So proper sleep, proper nutrition, proper water intake, posing, training, everything. It's a combination of those things, and it does matter, and she is a prime example of that. She has busted her butt for weeks and months, and she's 3 weeks out at this point, and she gets to show everybody what she's been doing for a long time. She has an athletic background, so she's got pretty good amount of muscle mass. We did some posing sequences. Like I said, she's going to be crossing over in women's physique and women's bodybuilding, so we worked on that. I was ready for her to she stayed fully clothed the whole workout, and so we get in here and she poses, she takes everything off, she looks incredible, and she's still got plenty of time left, to kind of fine tune a few things, bring her physique in. She hasn't even started to the water manipulation, drying out, all of that. She hasn't even done that fun stuff, and she looks incredible. I'm really, really excited to have shared this journey with her, and be on the lookout because in 3 weeks she's going to make a statement, and I cannot wait. Do you feel good?
I feel dead right now, but I'm excited. It's definitely something that I've never put my body through, and to have Brooke alongside of me, it's an honor, really. And coming down here and working out with her, totally different type of workout that I've ever been through, but it was good. I feel a lot better about the situation. Yeah, I'm just excited, and I'm ready to get after it and finish the deal, honestly.
Yeah, she's ready to win. She's ready for some food. She does have a relatively higher carb day, right? So she has a little bit more food today. Maybe not what she would like to have, but anyway, she worked hard, so she gets to go eat her steak and potatoes now, which I know she's looking forward to. But anyways, guys, thanks for your support. Be on the lookout for this girl because she's gonna make a statement. Omaha, 3 weeks.